y'all. Oh my god. Every time I come on here now, I'm just like super excited because I always have something so very interesting for y'all. But da-dun, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. This time I opened it so that way I could do this and not have to go and spend a minute trying to open it. But look at how cool. I mean, every time I come on here and I show y'all Nomad Cosmetics palettes, I mean, they just every single time better and better and better, and like the quality is absolutely always. I was trying to show you the back of that and I was like, look at this, but okay. Anyways, I'm about to show you. But every single time, they never disappoint. They always put great mirrors in here. I haven't pulled up film as you can see, but they always put great big mirrors. I take my palettes on the go because their mirrors are the best to look in. And look at these shades. They're absolutely stunning. Look at it in all its beauty. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, I'm just super excited. Okay, one is Tombstone. And the first shade, Copper Penny, is this one. You still see the other one. So, and then I'll wipe it off before I put anything on, so that way I don't mix colors. Nut MT. So, oh, that's a really pretty, like, ooh, really pretty topper. Okay, and do it now. Mess it up and then do the look afterwards. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the pinky, and then right here, Bandit Queen. Ooh, really pretty. Deadwood, like espresso type of color. Oh my god. Quicksilver. This time I'm pressing just a little bit harder than normal because I want to make sure that I know sometimes I press too lightly. Like I think that one I pressed a little bit too lightly. Roll it. Okay. I'm like trying to stop being wimpy over here. I like to keep my palettes looking as new as possible, but I know it's never possible. Ghost Train, like the multi-color maybe. Alright. Yep. It has a different like reflex one way, and I think it's like one way is like a deeper green and then the other way is like a purplish color. Inner Saloon. This is so hard to use my left hand. Calamity Jane or Calamity Jane. Ooh, wow, different color, but wow. Dead Man's Hand. Really pretty. They're so different and so pretty. Gold Rush is this one. My left hand and I'm having difficulty over here. That's really, really pretty. Calico, California, I believe, because it says CA. Ooh, you know I love greens. Yep, I love greens. Smoky Quartz, I think is what that says. Ooh, it's like a grayish color. Yeah, it's like a gray silverish color. Ghost Town, which is this one. I'm gonna dip my fingers just a little bit more because I'm using my left hand, so I'm being weird with my left hand, but okay, yeah, okay, so cool. Stagecoach Mary. Where you use your left hand, but hopefully you can use it a lot better than I can because I am like over here struggling. Rested Decay. So this is not too black, but it's like a charcoal color. Boom. Okay, so that's what we have, and they are absolutely gorgeous. So gorgeous and pretty. Let's get into it. I am gonna start with the neutrals only because I'm really excited for the neutrals in here, and then I will also create other colors the next few days and I'll post those as well. So Undead Sheriff, which is this neutral color. I'm just gonna take the plastic off of that and use this mirror so that way you get to see this the whole time going. So just gonna take a big fluffy brush and then pat it in. I already do have concealer on. It's the NYX Bear With Me concealer. That's what I use all the time. Take a little bit of pigment, which this is still the Undead Sheriff. And whatever the base I put on, I shake the brush and then like pat it right up in the inner corner, like right here, and then I blend it out so that way I have like a contour thing happening, but it's like with the eyeshadow. So Bandit Queen, which is this really pretty brown color, and then we're just gonna take this in the middle or like the crease area. So now we're gonna take Deadwood a bit where I want it. I take the big fluffy brush and I go with Undead Sheriff, which was the first color we used, and then blend everything back out. So we're gonna go with Copper Penny. Yeah, so that definitely, like if I grabbed neutrals and then put that on there, that would definitely work really, really pretty. Tombstone, and I want to do that for the inner, like right here. Go with this Stagecoach Mary, like this. Oh my god, that's so pretty. And it's making my eyes like look so like... Sorry, it took a minute because I wanted to do the full face to get the whole effect, but this is this eyeshadow and then just with makeup. So I always absolutely stand by every single time they make a palette. Yes, I do wish it was more on the neutral side, but honestly, look at how pretty it turned out. So I'm not mad. Like every single time, and I can't wait to play with all the other colors and shades and everything. So just absolutely really pretty, and I think everything went well, and even putting that green popped out like the eye color and everything. So yeah. All right, let me know if you've tried this. Oh, sorry for people who hate this, but I love doing that. I don't know why. Okay, anyways, I hope you have a wonderful day, and stay safe and stay naughty, and I will be back for more to show off this palette even more. So bye.